These clothes will change everything today.
Michael, wake up! Today is the day!
5 more minutes then. Their first day of school. Our babies are growing up. I cannot believe it. They are so big now.
Pancakes with blueberries, their favorite.
I cut the strawberries. You make the pancakes.
Perfect team, like always. Are you ready?
Not really. But let us go. Time to wake up!
Is it morning already? I am still sleepy. School! Today is school day! I am so excited! Mom, I feel a little scared. What if nobody likes me?
Oh, sweetheart. Everyone will love you. I promise.
I want to wear my new shirt. The blue one.
Here it is, champion. Arms up.
Brush up and down. Like Mom taught us. Look, I have a foam beard. I am Santa.
Beautiful butterfly clips for a beautiful girl.
I look like a real schoolgirl now. My new dress. It is so pretty. I look different. Dad, my shoes have lights. Look.
Those are the coolest shoes I have ever seen. Here is your dinosaur back with your T-Rex friend.
T-Rex is coming to school with me. These shoes are shiny, but the buckle is hard.
Let me help you. They're perfect.
Pancakes with blueberries.
Special first, my favorite. Thank you, Mommy.
Emma, sweetheart, are you okay? You are not eating.
I think that's funny.
Emma, listen to me. You are brave and you are smart.
But what if the other children do not want to play with me?
You will make friends. Just be yourself. Smile and say hello.
Just say hello?
That is all you need. A smile.
I'm not scared. I will make 100 friends.
100 friends? That is a lot of friends, Lucas.
Lunchbox is ready, with a little surprise inside.
Okay, family, let us go. First day of school.
Let us go. Let us go. Fast. The sun is so bright today. The sun has happy because we go to school.
Seatbelt on, Lucas. Click. There we go.
I can do my seatbelt. I'm a big girl now.
How are you feeling back there?
Little nervous. My tummy feels funny again. I feel great. Look at my shoes. Flash, flash, flash. Look, other children. They are going to school too. A yellow bus. A school bus so big.
That is a school bus. Maybe one day you will ride it. Emma, do you want to know a secret?
A secret? Yes, please, Daddy.
On my first day of school, I was scared too.
You were scared? Really? But you are so brave.
Everyone is scared on the first day. That is normal.
I was nervous too. But then I made my best friend.
So scared is okay?
Being scared is very okay. It means you are brave.
Look, there it is. Your new school.
Wow, it has a playground with a slide. There are so many children. So many people.
Ready?
I have my hand, please, Daddy.
Always. I will hold your hand.
Come on, Mommy. Faster! I want to see inside!
Slow down, Lucas. Wait for your sister. I'm excited too, Daddy.
We know, sweetie, we're almost there.
Wow, look at the doors.
Welcome to Sunshine Elementary. Good morning, family.
Good morning. These two are starting today.
Everything is so colorful and so small. The doors are my size. I can reach the handle.
Here it is, room 3, the sunflower class.
Sunflower class. I like sunflowers.
Hello, you must be Emma and Lucas. Welcome.
Hello, Miss Chen. I am a little nervous.
It is okay to be nervous. I was nervous too this morning.
You were nervous too?
Yes, but now I am so happy because I met you.
I am going in. This is my classroom. Wow.
Slowly, please.
But Mom, look, so many dinosaurs.
I see, sweetie, but let's be careful.
A fish. There is a fish. Can I touch it?
That is Goldie, our class pet, but no touching, please. What? This is your own cubby, Emma, with your name on it.
My name on the wall in a real school. Hi, I am Lily. What is your name? I am Emma. This is my first day. Mine too. Do you want to be friends? Yes, I would love that. Yes, I would love to be friends. What are you drawing? A T-Rex. He is very big and very hungry. Cool. Can you draw one for me too?
She made a friend already. Look at her smile. And Lucas already found crayons.
Of course.
They are doing great. You can say goodbye now. Already, I am not ready.
Me neither. But they are.
We are going now, sweetheart. We will come back at 3.
You are leaving already?
I will be right here at 3 o'clock. I promise.
I love you, Mommy. I will be brave.
I love you more. You are already brave.
Bye, buddy. Have a great day.
Bye, Daddy. Look at my T-Rex. He has big teeth.
They are growing up so fast, Michael.
I know. But look. They are happy.
Our babies. In a real school.
They will be fine. Because we raised them well.
Good morning, Sunflower class. Welcome to your first day.
Good morning, Miss Chen.
Today we start with something easy. Tell me your name. My name is Miss Chen. I like sunflowers.
My name is Emma. I am 6 years old. I like drawing.
Wonderful, Emma. You like drawing. That is great.
My name is Lucas. I am 4. I dinosaur of dinosaur geeks here.
Dinosaur books? Where? This book is about a bear, his first day of school.
A bear goes to school. Bears cannot go to school.
In this story, he can. Let us read together.
Can I use your pink crayon, please? Of course. Friends share crayons. Miss Chen, look at my dinosaur. His name is Rex.
That is a wonderful dinosaur, Lucas. Very creative.
Lily, come on. The swings. Let us go. I am faster than you, Noah. Watch me. Lily, I was so scared this morning. Me too, but now I am so happy I came. Me too. School is actually fun. What is this? A note from Mommy. She says she is proud of me. I want to cry, but happy cry. My mommy wrote me a letter with hearts. Your mom is really nice.
Who can count to 5?
I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
An excellent job.
1, 2, 3, 8. 5. Almost.
You will get it. Keep trying, Lucas.
I will try again tomorrow.
Let us sing together.
H-I-J-K-L-M-P-T.
That is all for today's Sunflower class. You were wonderful.
Thank you, Miss Chen. Bye, Lily. See you tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow. I cannot wait.
I see them. There they are.
Mommy! I stay.
How was it? Tell me everything.
I made a friend. Her name's Lei. I drew a T-Rex. And I counted to 5. Almost. Miss Chen is so kind. And we read a book about a bear. They have a fish named Goldie. Can we get a fish? Mom, I was not scared at all. Well, maybe a little.
You were so brave, Emma. I am so proud of you.
I want to go to school again tomorrow. And the next day. And the next day. Every day. Today was the best day of my life. The best day. Can I bring T-Rex to school tomorrow?
The best day of our lives, too.
Our babies are not babies anymore.